Gauzy is celebrating its one-year anniversary as a publicly traded company on the Nasdaq. Revenue reached $103.5 million in FY 2024, a 33% year-over-year increase, driven by accelerated adoption of dynamic smart glass products across multiple industries. Gauzy's technologies are being used in various applications, including cabin and cockpit shading on private jets and commercial aircraft, smart glass solutions for architectural facades, and safety technology products such as camera monitor systems, CMS, for trucks and buses. The company has made significant strides in the aeronautics market, with a commanding 95% market share in cockpit shading, and expects to generate $240 million in revenue over the next 10 years. Gauzy is also rapidly expanding in the safety technology segment, with its Smart Vision CMS installed in over 15,000 vehicles globally. In the automotive market, Gauzy is a strategic supplier to Ferrari and has implemented its dual-technology smart glass stack in Mercedes-Benz Vision V. Gauzy's technologies can reduce solar heat gain and glare, resulting in up to 30% energy savings in vehicles and buildings. The company is on track to publish its first sustainability and impact brief in 2026 and is actively pursuing inclusion in ESG-focused indices and funds. With 146 active global patents across its core technologies, along with a vertically integrated model that enables full control of its value chain, CEO Eyal Peso stated that the company's first year as a public company has validated its vision across multiple industries, and it is excited to deliver long-term value creation for its shareholders. Most recently, Gauzy unveiled a prefabricated smart glass stack for the automotive sector, designed to maximize manufacturing efficiency and accelerate smart glass adoption. This technology simplifies manufacturing, reduces space needs, and lowers financial barriers, enabling new players to enter the smart glass market with faster production timelines. The global automotive smart glass market is projected to reach $25 billion by 2028, and Gauzy's prefabricated stacks are well-positioned to support a broad spectrum of vehicle programs. Gauzy's strategic partnership with Hotline Glass USA supports localized manufacturing in the U.S. market, and multiple Tier 1 suppliers and vehicle programs are currently evaluating Gauzy's prefabricated stacks for integration into late 2025 through 2027 production platforms. The company's focus on ESG and sustainability is also evident in its smart glass solutions, which deliver measurable energy efficiency benefits and align with growing automaker ESG targets and regulatory pressures. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.